You know, every once in a while we all need a little extra cash. And it's even harder if we're in a foreign country and we don't have a work visa. Well, don't get jammed up with immigration issues. Here is another way expats can make money legally. What's up, people? This is Bill, and if you remember my last video, I showed a way in which you could make $10 an hour online, but you had to be a typist. You had to be a very good typist, and I think the requirements were 70 to 80 words per minute, and a lot of us, like me, didn't really qualify for that job. So I promised at the end of that video I would give you an opportunity that everybody can qualify for, and this is it. Work for Amazon on MTurk.com. Alright, so open your browsers, type in MTurk.com, MTurk.com, and as you can see, you'll get a nice screen just like this. Alright, so just click on the upper right hand corner where it says sign in as a worker. Sign up. It says it takes about 24 to 48 hours to verify and let you in as a worker. No big deal. Once you're in, you'll see this screen. You'll see a big list of things. Now some of them are in gold, which says accept the hit. Those are ones you already qualify for. Some of them have a qualification process, like you have to take a test. They want to make sure you're going to do a survey that you're the right subject matter they're looking for. So there's a little qualification thing there. That's some of the gray ones, but in general you can just start making money right now. Alright, so what are some of the tasks on MTurk? Well, some of the easiest and the lowest paying ones are things that involve Google searches, or what they sometimes call as data mining, in which, say, a business or an individual will send you to a website, and what they'll want is you to extract the owner's email address. You search the website, under the contact information, you get the owner's email address, you put it in, submit it, and then you get paid anywhere from 1 cent to 5 cents. Now, these individual tasks are called hits, and these hits are like a very low paying, but then it took you a few seconds, boom, then you go and get another hit. So of course you're thinking, alright, I made a penny, whoop-de-doo, or I made 2 cents. Well, now what am I going to do? Well, sometimes these hits, sometimes there's thousands of hits doing the same thing, so it's a redundancy thing and you can get in the groove of it. Other times you move on to the next something because you're kind of bored with it. But like these are great individual things to do, like say you're watching TV or just sitting in the car or whatever. As long as you have internet access and you're doing nothing, you might as well be doing something, and that's earning money. Now, the next level of hit is a little bit more involved. For instance, they might give you a task that involves 30 seconds of audio, and your job will be to type out what is being said in the audio for 30 seconds, and it's like transcribing, and that pays a little bit better. That's up to 20 cents. So if you think about it, if you type pretty good and you're attentive, for 30 seconds you just got paid 20 cents. So now your kind of hourly rate has increased a little bit. Now the highest paying things, and the ones that everybody likes, are the surveys. Now surveys can pay anywhere from 50 cents all the way up to $30. These are the highest paying hits. These are the things everybody likes. The gotcha is not everybody qualifies for surveys. Sometimes they're looking just for men over 50. Sometimes they're looking for men under 20. Sometimes they're looking for men who have been divorced. Sometimes they're looking for women who have had children, women who have only had one child, women who are trying to have a child. You know, it depends what the research is involved in the survey, what you can qualify as a subject. That's always one of the better paying gigs. And Bill, realistically, how much can I make? Well, a recent survey was done of 2,600 MTurk workers, and the reality of it was 94% earned $2 or less per hour. So let that sink in for a minute. The other 6% earned $7 or more per hour. And you're like, alright, so how did they get there? Well, they got there 2 ways, I think. The first way is that you have to do some of these lower, monotonous, penny-paying hits to build your hit level up. So your accuracy is high, you have a high accuracy rate, you've done a lot of hits. I know some of the surveys require you to have at least 100 hits under your belt before they allow you to go in on their surveys. So you really want to do some of those monotonous Google searches, low paying ones, to build your hit level up. The other thing they have is they have this, there's our websites where they tell you what are the highest paying hits available currently in MTurk. And you're saying, that's what I want, Bill, that's what I want. And you know what? I'm going to help you. I'm going to put down in my description some of the sites that you can go to which actually constantly are looking for the highest paying hits on MTurk that you qualify for. Some of them are ridiculously high paying. There was one I looked in where you can go to McDonald's, you make a purchase, and they would pay you $30. Now, the only gotcha was that you had to be in Puerto Rico to do it. But if you just happen to be in Puerto Rico that one time, or you happen to live there, you could go to McDonald's, buy a pack of fries or what have you, make a purchase, and get $30. Now that's some serious money, and it would take you, you know, half an hour, whatever. So you have to watch the restrictions, but there are some good paying ones. And as I said, if you look at the link down below where I put down, there are two things, there are two different areas of where you go. There's a forum that monitors the links. Also on Reddit, there's also another link I put in there which also monitors some of the highest paying hits. But be warned, these hits go fast. I mean, that's all people are looking for, is the highest paying ones. So once they have so many subjects and the guy's got so much, this is budget for that hit, he cuts it off, and then that's it for that project. So you gotta strike while the iron is hot and be more attentive in it. But like I said, it's a great way to make money. You know, if you're sitting watching TV, if you're not doing anything, as I always say, you might as well be doing something, and something is earning money. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Are not yet a subscriber? Be sure to hit the button on the right hand down below and become a subscriber. And while you're at it, hit the bell so you'll be notified of all new updates. Alright, so you guys have a great day, and until next time, bye bye.